Well, this video is all about how public speaking and workshop facilitating really can be the very most powerful personal development tool you'll ever come across. And I guess in my life over the last 15 years, I've done a lot of personal development, but nothing will come close to the art and science and the experience of going out and delivering workshops. Because essentially, you have to face your fears. You essentially have to stand up, deliver your message, and put your message out there to the marketplace. And that can be quite confronting for a lot of people. And if I just rewind in my mind to back in 2009 when I did my very first public speaking course, it was a 9-day course and there was 200 people in the room, and I as a student was very nervous. Every day it was like going in and 200 people in the room, learn a skill, then go out into these little mini groups, deliver the skill, get feedback, essentially get smashed, then go back in, learn the new skill. And it was very confronting. And it takes a lot of humility, a lot of healthy mindset to be able to continue in the space of delivering workshops, because you're constantly facing your fears. You're constantly facing judgment, ridicule, criticism, and at the end of the day, your results are always mirrored back to you, and you can't escape it, right? So I do know people in the vocational education training industry, or people in training in Australia, that have done it for a little bit of time, but then they've found it's just been all too hard for them, and they've switched into other things like, design of materials. They've switched into research or things like that, just because they couldn't handle the heat in the kitchen, right? But here's the deal, folks. Just like martial arts, just like any endeavor, it can take courage to keep stepping up into the training environment and share your message. And I want to encourage anyone that's watching this video, acknowledge yourself for all the things that you do to keep stepping up, keep stepping into the training room, because it's not easy. And essentially, every time you step in, you are confronting your fears. And every time you read those feedback forms, you are confronting the mirror, and it's coming back to you. How did you do on that day? What did you do that potentially made people super happy, or areas that you could refine going forward? And great trainers I know are consistently never stopping their learning journey, and they're always looking for ways to improve, get better, and show up better as a more powerful trainer, presenter, coach, facilitator, whatever they call themselves, right? So this video, it's all about just acknowledging the power and the impact that public speaking actually has on you as a public speaker. Thanks for watching, team. Acknowledging every single one of you that's willing to step up and keep sharing your message. Thanks for watching, team, and we'll see you on the next video. My name is Mark Miles, helping you become the best trainer, facilitator, coach, mentor you can be in the training space. Thanks for watching, team. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.